Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for joining me for July's unboxing video. The theme for July is neon lights. So as you can probably guess, everything in this box has to do with neon. So first we have some neon gel paints from Elegance. These are thicker than their regular gel polishes. They are made to do line work and things, so they are a little bit more pigmented and a little bit thicker. We have some neon rhinestones for you as well. We have both from Joya Mia, the Joya Mia matte top coat, and a assorted color from Joya Mia Aluminix. Your bottle may say metallics as well, but these were rebranded as Aluminix. And then we have a assorted glitter from Young Nails, the nailbasics flexure gel, which is really great to mix with these awesome bright neon pigment powders. So those can be used as a pigment powder in their powder form, or they can be mixed with any clear gel or color gel for that matter as well. And then last but not least, we have this really cute little rhinestone spatula for you as well.